I have separated the leaves from the stems for the mint and the dill. It looks like a lot, about a good cup and a half of fresh leaves, but when it will be finely chopped, it will end up to about 6 tablespoons of finely chopped herbs for each of them. I've been chopping for a while. I still have a little bit more chopping to do, and I'm going to show you a new technique. I'm going to show you how to chop lots of herbs or whatever you're doing with what we call the double blade technique. To do so, you will need 2 chef knives of the identical size. Okay, you don't want to have one bit longer than the other one. Okay, you place them side by side, and you will place your left or your free hand on the top, and you will go up and down. The key is to have the same knives. So here my herbs are finely chopped.